Morning dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start our today GK subject. So in GK subject page number 40 we are going to start today lesson number 10, and name of the lesson number 10 is India. What is India? We are going to learn in this lesson the land of religions. So which religions are there, in India? We are going to that. So about each religion we are going to learn in deeply, but in a short form it is given. So first of all, first question is here. This religion includes a variety of traditions, beliefs and practices, largely based on the teaching of Siddhartha Gautama, who attained enlightenment. So here it is, I think answer is clear in your mind. Who attained enlightenment and came to be known as Buddha. Okay, from Buddha you are able to name the religion. Gautam Buddha preached non-violence through his philosophy. Its followers are called Buddhist. So which religion is that? Buddhism. Number 2, this religion was found in the 15th century by Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak established the system of langar, or you can say community kitchen, in order to demonstrate the need to share and have equality among all people. Langar means it is one type of food we take with all people, not only a family only, but so many people can eat here. One type of prasad we can say. Okay, so why we do this? Because here it shows a sign of equality, that we all are one and we take food each other with each other sitting together. So equality among all people. The central teaching of this religion, what is teaching of this religion, is in the belief of the concept of oneness. This religion teaches that we all are one, so we all eat langar at one place together. So concept of the oneness of God, we are one and we are child of one God. So name of that religion is Sikhism. Number 3, this religion consists of many diverse traditions and has often been termed as the oldest surviving religion in the world. Its laws are based on karma, dharma and social norms, यानी कर्म, धर्म और समाज सेवा, social norms. It prescribes values such as honesty, mercy, purity, etc. Its practice include rituals like puja, chant and occasional pilgrimages. It is the world's third largest religion. See, it is the world's third largest religion. We do puja, we chant. Chant means we say the mantras, okay, that and that we repeat, an occasional pilgrimage. So obviously Hinduism. And number 4, this Indian religion prescribes ahimsa, a path of non-violence towards all living beings. Here also your answer is clear, that here we learn to be non-violence to each and every living beings, not only human beings. Its 3 main principles are non-violence, non-absolutism and non-possessiveness. The follower of this religion follow the teaching of the 24 teachers of this religion, known as the Tirthankaras, of whom Vardhaman Mahavir was the last and the most famous. So from the Mahavir you can guess the answer, it is Jainism. Number 5, this religion movement was started by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1582. As a tolerant king, Akbar was eager to merge the best elements of the religions in his empire and remove the differences that divided his subjects. Akbar on that time decided that I want to merge the best elements that has divided the differences and remove the difference, and that has divided his subjects. So he want to merge each and every person in the one religion. So this element of these religions were primarily drawn from Islam and Hinduism. So name of that religion is Din-e-Ilahi. Okay students, so complete this textbook exercise of lesson number 10 and also write one time in your GK notebook. Thank you student, have a nice day.